Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically tag orders that paid with gift cards. So that's what we are going to do. So for this, we are using the Shopify Flow app from Shopify App Store. You can also install its app from Shopify App Store, and it's a free app from Shopify site. This video is sponsored by Next Discount, the only Shopify app that lets you cap discounts. Example, offer 10% off but stop the savings at 200 rupees. Next Discount handles it automatically. Protect your profit and run smarter sales. Search Next Discount at the Shopify App Store today. So after installing the app, you come to the app section. So everything in the Flow app is like workflows. So you can create a new workflow. Then you set the details. So I already created one workflow which is naming tag orders paid with the gift card. So for example, if any order is paid, that's a triggered, right? Then it will start working. Then we'll check if the payment gateway name at least contains or at least include the name gift. So, when it comes to gift card, it will be having a name gift, right? Then we'll add that order given at order tag, which is paid with gift card, right? So this is how you can tag an order which is paid using the gift card. So I think this will be helpful for you to track your orders with gift cards. So for your easiness, Shopify is already added this particular in their templates. You can click on the browse templates and there are pretty good templates out there, and search for tag orders paid with gift card. Then you can easily get the flow we discussed. So this will be helpful for you. And if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Happy selling.